Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited because I just got a warmer that's been around for about a year and I've always wanted it. And for some reason, I just didn't get it. I guess because there's always something new coming out. So I finally got it and I'm so excited to style it in my Western boho living room. I think it's going to be perfect. Chef's kiss. We'll see though. But it's the Shining Light Warmer, and I think it's absolutely spectacular, and I cannot wait to style it and check it out. So if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Do you have one of these already? What do you think of it? All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm excited to unbox this one. I really think it's a stunner. It's a pretty big box, so I'm guessing it's a pretty big warmer. I saw it in person, but it's been a long time. I saw it, I think it was, oh, maybe I didn't see it in person before. Maybe it was during the pandemic. Might have been the pandemic and I didn't get to see it in person. Okay, so it has a clear round dish. Looks like it's going to be an a Edison bulb. So we got the clear round dish with Scentsy inside. And let's see, this is, looks like the lid. Yeah, I don't think I've seen this one in person, but I've always wanted it. It's just, stuff always comes up. I don't know. Let's open her up. I literally hate the sound of styrofoam. Cannot stand that sound. All right, let's see. Okay, so it has a glass insert, I see. And here's the bulb. I'm thinking Edison bulb. I'm pretty sure it is, which I love the look of an Edison bulb. It is. So let's open up the bulb. If you don't know what an Edison bulb is, I will show you as soon as I can take this tape off. Oh my goodness. How much tape did you put on this, Scentsy? All right, I got to break it down and use my scissors. Okay, let's get her open. Okay. Alrighty. Geez, how long does it take to open a light bulb, Vic? All right, so it is a beautiful Edison bulb. Absolutely gorge. All right, so let's open up the insert. So it's a thick glass insert. It's pretty heavy. Ooh, it's not bubbled. It's like wavy. You see that? It's not bubbled. It's like a wavy glass. Absolutely. Oh, that's a better view. You can really see it there. Beautiful. So it says this end up. Okay. Whatever you say, Scentsy. All right. And then here's the warmer. Let's go ahead and get rid of that because I am no longer doing boxes. You guys, I put everything in bubble wrap and I put it in Tupperwares. And so far I'm liking it. I mean, I've already started and I can't go back because I've already gotten rid of all the boxes. I put them all in recycling. I had to break down, I don't know how many boxes. But anywho, so here is what the warmer looks like. Okay. Very rustic looking. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to undo the, not zip tie, twist tie, and plug her in, and then we'll get her all set up. All right, so let's plug it in. All right. It's still twisted. There we go. Okay. Very beautiful. So now we are going to put the bulb in. Okay. Now, Scentsy says this side up, but I'm going to take the sticker off. I hope they made it easy to remove sticker. I don't have nails, so it should be easy to remove, but yeah, it's easy to remove. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in here, and it has a little groove where it sits. Okay, then looks like you put the dish in next. Okay, I like it, I love it. And then the lid. How does it go? My eyes are blind from the light on my thingy. All right, so here is the warmer. So let's go ahead and turn it on. 1, 2, and 3. And that is spectacular. Isn't that gorgeous? That's going to be so pretty in my living room. I cannot wait to style that. It's a big warmer. Wow. Absolutely stunning. You can get a better view when I block the bulb, because the bulb, the light reflects off the camera and it makes it hard to see. It gives you that like shadowing or haze or whatever that is, but it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to style it. It's going to look fantastic. So that is the Shining Light Warmer, and I, for one, and I'm here for it. I cannot wait. It's going to look gorge. All right, you guys. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you're having an amazing Easter if you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, just have an awesome weekend, because I don't know about you guys where you live, but here in Los Angeles, it's absolutely beautiful out. It's like maybe low 70s, high 60s, but just sunny and gorgeous. So I hope you're having fantastic weather as well. And let me know what you think about this warmer, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.